Hey guys, this is Abigail. Welcome to my channel, Abigail's Life. And at the moment, I'm traveling. I'm in Mexico with these guys. But without a passport because I forgot it and my sister said we weren't going back for it. But thank the Lord, the man, he was so nice, he just had to go through. And so I'll just worry about getting back in when I try to get back in.
Like stuck in Mexico? Question mark, question mark.
Now we're waiting for a ride who's said to be here in 30 minutes and we're here on time. But
She said that like
she said she hasn't even left yet. So we're still going to be here for another 20 minutes or something just waiting. So I'll avoid the boring parts of that. I'll live that for you. Okay guys, so the reason why I'm in Mexico, my sisters, is because we're going to surprise my mother for her birthday party because it's tomorrow, but everybody got work tomorrow. Everyone but me, but still, everybody got work tomorrow. So
that's not an actual.
I'm going to record her. It's just going to be so happy that I'm here because she loves me and I haven't seen her for like 11 months. Because you don't want to, because you have weekends off. Anyways, but yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see if we can make her cry, okay?
¿Y acá no han plantado nada?
No, ahí no.
Hi, mother. Hola, madre.
¿Y eso? ¿Cuándo llegaron los
Happy birthday.
preciosos?
No, okay. That's my mama. This is her house. Her room is back here. I'll show you around later, but the whole point is we're gonna go bowling, I think, and we're gonna do a couple of events for her birthday. Her big, I don't even know, her big 53. Sorry. And there you have it. That's my father. We're bonding. We're gonna go to the neighbor's house all the way up Desert Hill to use the restroom.
No tengas que decir eso.
Sí tengo que decir.
No,
Yes, es un momento muy especial. That's where I got it. Putting everyone on Facebook. So we are at the bowling place and everyone sucks here. I'm pretty sure except for my sister's husband. We all suck. Like we've all gotten 0 points. 0 points. Happy birthday to my mother. And she already got 1. She's beating everyone right now. moment of privacy. So I still need to see what's going to happen because I don't have my passport. But guys, wish me luck. I mean, I guess now it doesn't really matter, right? But I hope it's a good experience. Hi guys, so we're actually now at McDonald's, right, crossing the border. So since I didn't have my passport, they were like asking me questions before even getting to the actual entryway, and they were just like, oh, that's what form of identification do you have? I'm like, I only have my ID and my social. And they're like, a social not identification. I was like, oh, sorry. And so then I was just like, oh, she's my twin, like we're going to the same place. So they let me in, thank the Lord. And then once I got there, they just checked me up through my ID, only that I have my new married name on there, not my maiden name. So then I had to tell them my maiden name, and then they looked it up, and I was just able to cross. It just took a while because I didn't realize they were looking me up by my new last name. So, but yeah, everything was great. Now we're actually just at McDonald's. I'm getting something to eat because everyone says they're hungry. So yeah, and it's like, I was gonna check my phone, see what time it was. This is my phone. Cause it's 11 o'clock. And your father messaged you. Oh yeah, it's 11:11. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna head home. It should take about an hour to get there. So it's gonna be a nice day tomorrow when I have to wake up and edit this video, guys. So wish me luck. But yeah, that'll just be an outro for today. This was, what did I say? This is Abigail's Life. My name is Abigail. This here is Noe, and my sister's in line getting me my food. So it was a great trip to share with you guys. Hopefully you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and also turn on the notifications. So yeah.